Lilac Lecture on Satanists, Projections, Part 1. There is blue and pink, real and ideal. The dark and light sides are places to feel. Rue the day and think before you peel this worldly existence and live only in the spiritual results. Harm and harmless are consults for unstable and stability. Inside and outside do not have to fight as they merge in totality. Difference is progress and shows what could be in potentiality. An animal soul turns into a self-correcting soul. In the perfecting, the flawed being towards a soul at rest in an honest spirituality. You know, you can see that big list I did last month. It goes over that sequence, or that sequence is contained in order of the biggest list that I put forward last month. But Lilac Lectures on Satanists, Projections, Part 2 of 2. Instead of pink, blue, or colorless hat, let's wear, instead of a pink, blue, or colorless hat, let's wear indigo, orange, and rainbow hats. Emotion, intellect, and spirit is not just for cats. Levian and theistic Satanists share the same green, but the purple and yellow cannot be directly shared. The projecting is for both, and only the physical is where we are paired. The etheric and spiritual are, but how can mere certainty be compared? Deny or affirm what you will, but wrong and right without a basis is haired. And I have something to tell you. Okay, before we close here, let's see. Interview with Asbjorn Thorvald, author of Magic. It's All in Your Head. When I saw the title Magic, It's All in Your Head, I was waiting for the nod to Thelema. Thelema, whatever. Because that is the type of thing Lon Milo Duquette has said. High magic and low magic starts in our psychology and extends into our spirit and physical influence. Colors do not have to mean anything, but the context can give it that effect, and different things can have different effects. Whether God or Al-Jinn designate their prophets, some of those become a criterion or source of criterions for their communities. Timothy Donahue is sort of an emo-atheistic Satanism, while Asbjorn Thorvald is sort of on the neo-pagan Satanism path. Some things work over time, and some things work as processes or structures that can be translated into or for other beliefs and practices. And okay, the next video, I have something to tell you. Hail Satan!